वेलकम टू इजिप्ट। सॉरी गाइज, ये एक्चुअली इस फॉर्मेट में है क्योंकि उस वक्त मुझे नहीं पता था मैं यूट्यूब पे आऊंगी। तो कम हैव अ लुक एट इजिप्ट थ्रू आवर आईज। By the way, this is the view from our hotel, and that, my friends, is the River Nile. Isn't it stunning? Okay, so the first place we went to was the National Museum of Egyptian Civilization. मतलब यहाँ पर इनकी हिस्ट्री की सारी चीजें पड़ी थी, and this exhibit particularly was the way to go and see the actual mummies. 4000 साल पुराने pharaohs के bodies यहाँ पर रखे थे guys, and out of respect they did not let us take out our cameras when we went inside. तो ऐसा मैंने बाहर का वीडियो ले लिया. These are the other artifacts, and that is Zahir and me listening very carefully to our guide Michael. This was some other beautiful stuff. वो कैसे कपड़े पहनते थे and their headgear and their jewelry. फिर हम बाहर आ गए because there was lots to see और हम अपने गाइड की बातें एकदम ध्यान से सुन रहे थे. Okay, after that we landed up at a perfume factory. They actually made the perfume right in front of us and it was smelling just so good. Then we landed up at a papyrus factory where they make, you remember हमें बचपन में सिखाया था कि papyrus was the material with which paper was made, and the Egyptians discovered that. So this was a place where they actually made papyrus in front of you. They showed you the entire process, explained everything. We are listening very intently because it was very, very fascinating. So sharing this also with you. And if you can see behind, those beautiful paintings are made on the papyrus. And we could actually see some of the artists sitting over there and making the stuff on the spot. It was too stunning. ये दीदी बहुत ही पैशनेटली हमें समझा रही थी कि papyrus कैसे बनता है. And yeah, it was quite fun to watch. तो देख लो आप भी थोड़ा बहुत.
Sound was made from the import from more than 4,500 years ago.
Okay, here I'm taking a video of her where we got our names written in hieroglyphics, जो कि वहाँ का language है. The first emojis, guys, I think the Egyptians invented the emojis and these symbols and their language, and like it was just so fascinating, so much information to take in. तो एक साइड पे हमने सोनाक्षी लिखा और एक साइड पे हमने जहीर लिखा है. And this is the part we were waiting for the most, where we landed up at the pyramids of Giza. Can you see that? This was very early in the morning, but we decided हम ऐसे नहीं देखेंगे, हम इसके ऊपर से उड़ के जाएंगे. So can you see this Funtru coming down? Yeah, it's called paramotoring. And if you ever go to Egypt, this experience you have got to have because it's the best way to see the pyramids. So this is where they're making me wear all the safety gear because वो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. And the only thing I didn't like about this was honestly, you know what, कि ज़हीर और मैं ये साथ में नहीं कर पाए. पहले I had to go and then he had to go. वैसे मैंने उसका वीडियो डाला है guys. You can go and watch it after you finish watching this video where I'm flying ऊपर से. I mean the view was insane. And here we are ready to take off. Let's go. I was too excited when this was happening. Yeah. आगे बढ़ते हैं मेरे handsome Pantyor, who looks good even in that silly looking helmet. Sometimes that's just so irritating. But yeah, this is a cool lift off video of his as well. मैंने shoot किया था क्या? अगर हाँ तो then I'm fantastic, I must say. But yeah, look at that. It goes so high up. You can see the pyramids, you can see the Sphinx, and I would say that's the best way to see them for the first time. अभी land होने के बाद we reached the 9 Pyramids Lounge, जो कि was the best breakfast with the best view and the best company. This was the view from where we were. You know, जब आप इसके सामने खड़े होते हो ना, you realize आप कितने छोटे हो. And the history behind it. हमारा गाइड हमें बता रहा था how these guys built it and how they took those actual huge blocks on top. It's unbelievable. और ये हम थोड़ा टाइम पास करते हुए. Of course, we have to
Hello,
do this,
Sons. Big reveal.
और ये थे हमारे कैमल साथी.
Such a funny joke I have to say.
ये कहाँ के साथ चलते चलते ऑनेस्टली बेचारे उससे तो तेज मैं चल लेती थी, बट इट वॉज अ फन एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, दिस इज द स्फिंक्स. नाम तो सुना होगा, और अगर नहीं सुना प्लीज गूगल इट गाइज, बिकॉज इजिप्शियन हिस्ट्री इज माइंड ब्लोइंग. नाउ दिस इज द लोकल मार्केट. आई कैनॉट टेल यू, यहाँ पर इतनी खूबसूरत चीजें बिक रही थी एंड ईच वन वॉज बेटर देन दी अदर. लॉट्स ऑफ आर्टिफैक्ट्स, क्लोथ्स, jewelry, lamps and everything at a good bargain. I'm the worst person at bargaining, so I was not very good at it, but there were so many souvenirs that we picked up and we really enjoyed it. It's just so colorful. Look at it. Look at those lamps. Oh my god, I remember those lamps. अभी हम अपना घर बनाने वाले हैं, so we picked up some really cute stuff that we can keep in our home. So yeah, don't miss going to the market. Look at how stunning that shop is. Then we found the most local restaurant in the heart of the market. It had such a cute vibe and I love going to these local places when I travel. इसके बाद हम बाहर आ गए और मुझे एकदम बॉम्बे की ट्रैफिक याद आ गई. Look at that. नेक्स्ट स्टॉप हुरगाडा. अब इजिप्ट के बाजू में क्या है? द रेड सी, विच इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्पॉट्स फॉर डाइविंग. तो हम पहुंच गए ऑन द ईव ऑफ द न्यू ईयर, 31st December. This was a day that the hotel was preparing to have a lovely party for everyone. And the next thing you see is my husband wants to be fit on the last day of the year. तो ये मेरा पहलवान is doing what पहलवान्स do in the jungle gym at the hotel. It was very cool actually. ये सारी चीजें लकड़ी की बनी थी and yeah, quite fun. This was the New Year's party that the resort organized for all their guests. So it was quite fun actually. हम दोनों थे and then there were people from the other guests that were staying there and it was quite cute actually. They had some lovely performers and fun vibe. मजा आया. And what better way to start the new year? I think 2024 started on the best note for me. We went diving, guys, on the first day of the year. The most clear, crisp, blue, perfectly cold water and the most breathtaking sunset. What a way to start the year. The Valley of the King is the royal burial ground for most of the pharaohs in like 1539 to 1075 BC. BC, matlab before Christ.
How are you feeling at the Valley of the Kings?
That's way too long back.
Welcome to my valley.
Yeah, even though we were like looking at tombs and we were inside actual tombs where people are buried, it was just really fascinating. The steps leading into some of the tombs were really steep, and this tomb, guys, was a very special one because it was the tomb of King Ramses, one of the most popular kings. And this was even more under. Look at it, they're not even steps anymore. It's just like a platform leading downstairs. और ये जो हालत हो गई थी बाहर आते वक्त, proper cardio has happened. उस ट्रिप पे एक्सरसाइज करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं थी. यहाँ पर आई एम नॉट पोजिंग, आई एम एक्चुअली सीइंग द आर्ट एंड हाउ ब्यूटिफुली दे हैव मेड एवरीथिंग एंड हाउ फ्रेश इट स्टिल लुक्ड. मतलब आप देखोगे तो यकीन ही नहीं होगा कि दिस वाज मेड thousands and thousands of years ago. It looked like it was still new and it's beautiful. So many characters, so many paintings. Look at that, that's the ceiling. अरे this chacha, he made my trip to the Valley of the Kings very memorable. मतलब इतने सारे लोग थे वहाँ पर और इस आदमी ने मुझे रोका और बोला इधर आओ बैठो, beautiful. And then he tied this turban on my head and he told me that I look like Queen Nefertiti. How cool is that? Okay, now this was the temple of Hatshepsut. इसका नाम सीखने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, but what a magnificent temple. Hatshepsut was considered one of the greatest pharaohs of Egypt because she brought a lot of wealth and prosperity to the land. And this, my dear friends, is the beautiful temple town of Luxor with another beautiful view of the river Nile. At night, we went for the light show at the Luxor Temple. You cannot miss it. Sorry for this bad video. It's a very bad time lapse. But yeah, थोड़ा कुछ ऐसा था. But anyway, next morning we saw वहाँ पर hot air balloon rides भी होते हैं. And we had no idea about it, so हम ले नहीं पाए. But yeah, that was our entire trip to Egypt. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I promise you the next travel vlog will be better than this.